Hi everyone, in this video I'm showing you how to make these cute earrings. This is Bonner's channel and welcome to another jewelry tutorial using simple crochet methods and techniques. And don't forget to like this video please. For this tutorial I'm using a fine yarn and a 2mm hook and a 1.2mm bead. I'm starting with a normal stitch and pulling the thread through the bead. Making a stitch. I'm making one chain. And around this string, I'm making 9 single crochet. Then I'm making 3 chains. I'm turning the work around. In each stitch, I'm making 2 double crochet stitches. And in the last stitch, I'm making 1 double crochet. So this edge would become straight. Then again, I'm making 3 chains. I'm turning the work around. In the first stitch, I'm making 2 double crochet. In the second stitch, I'm making 1 double crochet. In the third stitch, I'm making 2 double crochet. And in the fourth stitch, I'm making 1 double crochet. So in every other stitch, I'm making 2 double crochet and then 1 double crochet. And for the last one, I'm making 1 double crochet in this loop. So the edge would look straight. Then I'm making 1 chain, turning the work around, In the outer loop of this stitch, I'm making 1 slip stitch, then I'm making 1 chain, and once again I'm making 1 slip stitch, and I'm repeating this till the end. And that's it. That easy, we're gonna have these cute earrings. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and hit subscribe. And have a wonderful day.